Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Well, how about yesterday? Quite the day. We're going to have everybody on every anti-terror, every anti-you-know-what list. We're going to take the Chinese out to hell in a handbasket, and they're going to feel the pain. Well, here we are today. Pretty decent turnaround in SPX from the lows. It was, word leaked out that even Navarro was like, boy, the market's really overreacting to what's going on. A guy who generally doesn't care about what the stock market is doing. I mean, they all care tangentially, but this is a guy that's more interested in being a trade hawk than in a trade hawk. Great trading platform. Also, Peter Navarro. He's more interested in being a trade hawk than in really worrying about what market participants are doing. But you can see word came out that, and he had a couple positive things to say. We shot up at the end of the day, and we've been up since. So the low was almost 20, was below, we got below 2,700 at one point. Now here we are back above 27 and a quarter. If you look, we still have a ways to go. But market seems a little more stable. VIX is off 0.83. It got almost to 19 yesterday, so a really nice one-day spike. And then came off pretty nicely. Volatility is already well off the highs, which were near 40, back into 36s. I suppose, I think that we'll see the market continue to grind higher. As the day goes by and there's not negative news, that should draw things higher. I'd point out that, bonds are a little softer today. And, the one thing that's a little offsetting is IWM, the Russell 2000, has been a leader and continues to look soft. But this is a really interesting day to scoop. I think Goldman's gotten way too cheap in some of the other financials. I mean, XLF is back to below 27. There's some value there among Morgan Stanley and Goldman and some of those names to find some trades. Apple is up big. Amazon is up big. So the tech names are really bouncing. Energy, which got punched in the face yesterday too, also looks strong. I would take today as an opportunity to really dig into Microsoft. That one is really well liked. It's been bouncing around 100. The next move is going to be higher in that name. I can almost guarantee it. That just is the way these things work out. So as I look at SPX, it looks like it wants to climb its way higher. And the VIX complex definitely looks softer. It is, obviously, hanging around. That's not the one I wanted. Obviously, I've got a little bit of a pause here. But, the VIX complex looks pretty good and has been behaving. And so, on the day, I think you're going to see vol move lower. But keep an eye on IWM. That has been and consistently been the canary in the coal mine. When IWM has rallied, end of the day, on the bottom, IWM started to creep higher, led the whole market higher. And here we are. It looks stronger today, but it's not spectacular. So until I get a real pop out of IWM, I'm going to be a little nervous about fully buying into what's going on in the marketplace. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day and a great morning, and I'll talk to you soon.